It for engineering college student, various engineering college student, to enhance their skill sets in drone technology. Nowadays, we are using drone. Dear participants, a very good morning to one and all. First of all, on the behalf of E-Yatra Club NIT Andhra Pradesh, we welcome you all. Electric bikes, there are a lot of technology in electric field also. So our main purpose of forming this club. Aluminum based metal matrix composites. Their objective is to increase the strength, at the same time weight must be lower, so that they have a lot of aeronautical applications. Similarly, the drone, how best you can design the chassis, how best you can design the BLDC motors. These are all BLDC motors, and how best we can know these impeller blades, how best you can manufacture them, how best you can integrate them. Integration including the electronic part, as well as it can be controlled through your remote controller or any programmable controller. You can as well have this the module of the controller, some knowledge of electrical engineering, some knowledge of electronic engineering, and some knowledge of mechanical and all other put together. A combination of that is a drone. Our drone-like products, they're all mechatronic devices. Popularly, they're all mechatronic devices. And as our Dean Students Affair or Ramesh Teja, what they discussed, that the drones applications are innumerable. Yes, any technology development, first it is tested in defense, then only it will be used for humanity. Any destruction, it is for destruction first. I'm sorry to say this statement. The defense is one sector which investigates or develops any device. Helicopter was invented for that. Your jet flight is invented for that. Everything was first invented for defense application, and then later it is being used for all human purpose. In CNC mission, a robot. If you go into the history of that, the concept of interchangeability. The concept of interchangeability has been developed for assemble of guns. That was the concept of interchangeability. Previously, if a gun consists of 100 parts, all the 100 parts being manufactured by one worker, and he will assemble the gun and give it to you. When the concept of interchangeability comes, 100 parts are being manufactured elsewhere.